Welcome to Helsby Hillside Primary School. We are a family here at Hillside, and this is reflected in our guiding values of being kind, respectful, grateful, and in working together to aim high. Being kind is at the heart of our school. As a small school, we all work together as a family. We all know each other and we look out for each other. We role model kindness to all members of the community, and we champion how kindness guides children to a happy and valued place in society. At Helsby Hillside, we respect each other and ourselves. This is modelled from adult to child and across the Hillside community. Respect can be seen in our adults greeting every child each morning, to how our children interact with each other and move around school. Respect is at the heart of our teaching, our relationships, and our appreciation for the world we live in. In an ever-changing landscape within a volatile world, we are grateful at Helsby Hillside for so much. We show gratitude to every community member, for without them, we would not be the successful school that we are. We are grateful for the things that make us special, and we know that gratitude helps improve our mental health, deal with adversity, and build strong relationships. Helsby Hillside is proud of every child. Our duty is to develop confident, capable, and well-rounded children. This, in turn, leads to the best achievements, academically, physically, emotionally, and socially. We aim high for every single child, providing a breadth of experiences that help children identify their individual strengths and a love of learning. We know that children thrive when given the opportunities to play and perform. From taking part in new sports to trying new instruments, we encourage every child to try and experience as much as possible whilst here at Helsby Hillside. We impress upon every child the importance of stepping forward to grasp the many opportunities on offer, try something new and stretch themselves. Our staff are always learning too, from getting to know more about each individual child to learning from other schools or furthering their own qualifications. As you walk through the playground and the corridors, you will often hear the sound of children's laughter. At Hillside, we believe that developing a sense of humour is an essential social skill in not only developing relationships, but also for well-being. In addition to our main school, we have a fantastic school field a short walk away, where the children can access forest school activities, as well as for PE and competing in inter-school competitions. We've been awarded the Platinum School Sports Award, which has recognised our range of sporting opportunities, clubs, and our balance of competition and inclusion. We also offer on-site wraparound care from 7:30 a.m. till 6 p.m. to support working families. Our school is always calm and purposeful. Children follow our school rules of being ready, respectful, and safe.
Starting school is such an exciting time, making new friends and exploring a new environment. Our reception class is a creative, fun and warm space that encourages the children's curiosity to explore and learn. We focus on phonics, literacy and maths, as these are fundamental in early learning, as well as learning about the world around us. We know how important it is to work closely with parents to support their children's learning and development, and this is built on through various family events such as our stay and play sessions, Mother's Day afternoon tea, our annual book ball, Grandparents' Day and much more. We pride ourselves on getting to know our children as individuals, starting with our carefully planned transition process from preschool to becoming fantastic, independent, resilient members of the Hillside family to let their big personalities shine.
My youngest child is in Year 1 and has gained so much confidence since starting school. The transition into Hillside was great, with Miss Jagota visiting her at home and at preschool. At first my daughter was so shy she wouldn't even answer the register, but now thanks to the amazing team of staff, she is full of confidence and skips into school every day, ready to share news of things she's done at home with her teachers and friends. There are so many lovely opportunities during the reception year to be involved in your child's journey, not only for parents but also grandparents.
I love our school because all the fantastic teachers.
At Helsby Hillside, we offer an ambitious academic curriculum bursting with knowledge and skills. Reading and writing are the cornerstones of our daily teaching. However, at Hillside, we also place great value on the foundation subjects. We recognise the unique nature of each subject and therefore teach subjects discreetly, ensuring that our children's academic experiences are both broad and balanced. In particular, the arts are a key part of our curriculum, with art and music being taught each week from reception all the way through to Year 6. By developing the curriculum in this way, we believe that each child is able to find a subject that sparks their curiosity and allows them to share their many talents. In addition to our academic offer, we also have a carefully planned personal development curriculum. This centres heavily around our guiding values, but also encompasses the British values of democracy, tolerance, liberty, rule of law and respect. This teaching runs through everything that we do at Hillside, from assemblies to lessons in the classroom. Our personal development curriculum also aims to help our children understand how they are developing personally, physically and socially, and how to tackle the many moral, social and cultural issues that are all part of growing up. By ensuring we design our curriculum in this way, we can ensure we're developing the whole child.
I love Helsby Hillside because everybody's welcome.
Both of our boys are here at Helsby Hillside 5 years apart. There was never a question in our minds where they would be going to school. There is a sense of belonging at Hillside rather than attending. The best way I can describe it is that Hillside is a family. When a teacher cares, children flourish, and I've seen nothing but my children flourish since joining the Hillside family. Hillside truly has enabled my boys to enjoy learning in a safe, fun and vibrant environment. We truly could not ask anything more from Helsby Hillside.
Year 6 is a fantastic year. We kick things off with an amazing residential trip where children have the opportunity to build relationships with their teachers, which sets an ambitious tone for the year and a bank of positive memories. Outcomes in Year 6 in reading, writing and maths are strong, and we work hard to prepare all our children for high school. When all of our children leave us, we want them to be excited about the opportunities that exist for them and be confident in the skills vital for the next challenge. Year 6 is a time for personal growth to enable each child to achieve as they prepare for their exciting transition to high school.
I love this school because I get to play with my friends, do history and PA.
I have 4 children attending Helsby Hillside Primary School. They're all doing exceptionally well. I'm so grateful for all the support from the teachers and staff members.
I like coming to our school because it shows that everyone is welcome and that there are no outsiders.
Helsby Hillside because we do loads of fun stuff like Pound, Grow and Wellbeing Day.
I love coming to this school because I love science and I love telling other people facts.
I love our school because it feels like home.
We are committed to creating a happy environment where children feel valued and therefore thrive. This is made possible by the strong relationships built between staff, children and families. I am proud to be head teacher here at Helsby Hillside. If you would like your child to join the Hillside family, please get in touch and I'll be happy to show you around.